I was just over here, and these little chickens, they're like standing there froze, and then they just run past me under the trees here. So that's probably a sign there's a hawk or something around in this morning sky somewhere. Over here is a little bit of little bitness. And they're little chicks who I gave crickets. No, I don't have any crickets. They're all to attack. So they can steal all the crickets. But I don't have any. As you can see, Graybot is over here. With Wooly and Dave in red. And Isis. And Tuckles, who is somewhere. Oh, Tuckles. Tookie is way over yonder in the chicken lot. And that one is over there at the tarp of tarpness and tarp. Chicky Adventures episode 12 as well. These ones are still over here. The orange ones of orangeness are nowhere to be found. Orange ones of orangeness are not here. Oh, yeah, they are. They're down over there. Eating stuff. These ends have moved over to this large tree with all the logs under it, being afraid of whatever they saw in the sky. Maybe they saw a giant flying donkey and thought it was a pterodactyl, or maybe they saw a Josie dactyl. Hey, this wasn't here before. They're all around here. As you can see, these ones have moved from here up to here, like a steeper part of this cliff place, where if you fall, you get hurt. These ones could fly, maybe. Those ones over down the hill, over here, can fly very well. But not as well as a sparrow. But they can still fly a little bit. They could fly 6 feet off the ground, because I watched them. Only smaller chickens that are lightweight can fly, not fat chickens with small wingspans, and those can only jump. And this is mine now. All of these ones are here And they're not as tall as this wild onion plant. I mean, this is episode 12. I'm gonna poke you. They're eating stuff. I don't really know what. There's a finger though. And Tucky is over here. And Dog is over here. Dave is over here. Tucky is still over here. Dog. And these ends are over here. This has been an episode of Chicky Adventures.